Hi, today I want to show you how to create bleeding text for your video, because I thought it's Halloween season. That's the good opportunity to do something for Halloween. I'm using the video editor Kdenlive 20.08.2, and Kdenlive is an open source free software. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need 3 video tracks. Insert one more here. And the next one, you need a title clip. Okay, so say, let's put it to the center, and center the text. Okay, that's our title. So then we need a color clip. Okay, red is good. We need a little bit dark red. Yes, that's good. So then you just put the clip here. That's a title clip on the very top. And the red color that's here. And now we need the transition, which is called alphain. Put it here. Then you can see the text has changed from orange to red. One thing I want to let you know, in case it won't work on your side, just make sure this one is turned off to 0. If you turn it up, then it's just showing the whole thing red. So this must be 0. So now we got the text is red. Then we put the same title clip on the third track here, and use a transition called wipe. So, and put the transition between track number 2 and 3. Then we need to select the transition pattern here. We use the curtain and just have a look. Okay, the blood is going up. Now we invert it. Okay. You can see it's going from the top down here. Let's try it out. Play. Okay, this is. I hope you like this effect. It's quite easy to do, and you can use it for your Halloween video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching, and happy Halloween. Bye.